Applications of functions. So we have this application problem. It says evaluation of E in meters. Yeah, get that going. Above the sea level at which the boiling point of a certain liquid is T degrees Celsius is given by the function shown below. At what elevation is the boiling point when it's 109.5 degrees? And it said it was at Celsius. And then it also wanted to solve for when it's 110 degrees. So what do I know? T is going to be the temperature. So I know this much. Well, we're given an equation to work with. So what I'm going to do is let me rewrite this a little neater. Just write it. I'm going to have a column for when T is equal to 109.5 degrees. And then I'm going to make a column when T is equal to 110 degrees. And let's plug in. So I got E, and in the place of T, let's put 109.5 degrees. And I said this is going to equal 1,000 times 110 minus, we said the T is 109.5 degrees. And it's going to be plus 520 times that 110 minus that 10, or that time, temperature. I don't know why I keep wanting to say 10. And that has all been squared. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we need to clean up the inside of the parentheses first. So let's do that. So what I have 110 minus 109.5. So let's bring this down. Oops. So 1,000 times that 0.5 plus the 520 times that 0.5. And now what we're going to do next before we do anything else, let's go ahead and square this 0.5. So I have 0.5 squared and gives me 0.25. So now what we're going to do is we're going to distribute using multiplication. So I'm going to say 1,000 times that 0.5. So 1,000 times 0.5 gives me 500. And we're going to add the two, 520 times 0.25. So 130. So that gives me 630. So that is the answer in the question when it's at degrees Celsius of 109.5, we get an elevation of 630. So we can do the same thing now for when the temperature is 110 degrees Celsius. And I'm just going to erase this over here because I had that as a column. I was hoping to give myself more paper room. So let's just kind of cut this in half a little bit. All right, so let's plug it in. So I got E of 110 is equal to 1,000 times 110 minus, what did I know about the T? It's 110 plus the 520 times 110 minus what? The 110. And it's all square. Well, what do I know? Well, 110 minus 110 is 0, right? And then what do I know about this 110? Well, that's 0. Well, now I got 1,000 times 0, which is 0, plus 520 times 0, that's 0. So the elevation is 0 when the degrees is 110 degrees Celsius. And that's based upon this function that was given to you.